In this video, I'll show you how to import and export investments in Trading 212. Alright, so here we are in the Trading 212 home screen. And what we're going to do is go to the top left and switch from CFDs to invest. We're going to go to our pie chart on the top center. Then we can either click on New Pie or My Pie. And if we go to the top right of the My Pie section, you'll see you have the option to import or export investments. So if we click on import, we need to choose our asset and then click on next. Now we need to confirm the amount we want to invest with the slider here and then just hit confirm. And of course, if we want to export, click on those three dots again and export investment. Select the specific investment, hit next, confirm how much we want to export, and then hit confirm. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.